So do you love chocolate? Do you really love chocolate? Because if you do, you're gonna love these. These are healthy vegan high protein brownies, and they're made just the way I like them. Soft and fudgy in the middle. And of course I did it healthy vegan style, using no oil, no wheat, and no refined sugar. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make your own. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients that we're going to use to make these high protein chocolate chip brownies. We're going to start with some pumpkin seeds. We're going to use pumpkin seeds as our flour. We're going to take these and grind them up into a flour, and this is going to be our base. Now, pumpkin seeds are super healthy. As a lot of you might know, they're very high in zinc, which can be hard to get sometimes on a plant-based diet. So lots of zinc here, iron, and they have a lot of leucine also, and leucine can be tough to get on a plant-based diet. We're going to be using some complement protein powder. Now, complement protein powder is the type of protein powder that I use. You know, I'm super active, I'm over 40, and so both of those things together, even though I eat a super healthy diet, I feel like I need more protein to be able to build muscle and to just be optimal. Complement is the brand that I use because it's super clean. It's been tested to be below the Prop 65 standards for cadmium, lead, mercury, and arsenic. Also, it has a very good amino acid profile. The two amino acids that can be particularly difficult to get on a plant-based diet are leucine, which it takes to build muscle, and then also lysine. And it focuses on both of those amino acids. So this is a great protein powder. You can check the description below and go and check out this protein powder. If you feel like you want to purchase some, you can use my code HEALTHYVEGAN to get a discount. Okay, so pumpkin seeds, protein powder, this is here. We're going to use some date syrup. We'll use a little bit of water, some cacao powder. Now, I'm using cacao powder. You could use cocoa powder and get the same result here. I'm using some date sweetened chocolate chips. A lot of people ask me where I get my date sweetened chocolate chips. I typically buy them from Whole Foods or from online, but that's the only type that I buy is either unsweetened completely, which are a little too bitter for most people, but I've learned to adjust to them, or in this case, date sweetened chocolate chips. We're gonna use some vanilla and some baking soda. And these are all the ingredients we need to make these delicious, high protein chocolate chip brownies. Let's start putting them together. Okay, we're gonna start by blending our pumpkin seeds. All right, so now I've got my pumpkin seeds ground. I want to show you what it looks like because it's really important to get your pumpkin seeds ground really finely like this. If you don't, then it can make your brownies have a little bit of a grainy texture, which is not what we're going for. We want them to be nice and smooth and somewhat fudgy. So you want to make sure that they're ground really finely. All right, on to the next step. And the next step is I'm just going to add my cacao powder and then give it a quick mix. All right, so next step is I'm going to add my date syrup, my vanilla, and my water and blend those with the mixture really well before adding the other ingredients. So let's do that now. Okay, so once you have the ingredients in the food processor, you want to blend it until it's nice and smooth before adding the next ingredients. Okay, so now I've got all my ingredients blended really well. The last two things I'm going to add is my protein powder and my baking powder. Correction, this is actually baking soda and not baking powder. Okay, so now I've got my batter mix. It's the right consistency here. And now I just want to get it into my pan, top it with some chocolate chips, and then we'll get it in the oven. Now, sometimes when making these brownies, the batter won't be quite as thick as what you're seeing here, but the results are just as fudgy and just as delicious. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Okay, so that's that. So I've got my batter in the pan, I've got my chocolate chips on top. Now it's just a matter of giving it a bake, letting it cool, and then it's time to cut and taste. All right, and that's it. These easy high protein brownies have about 7 grams of protein each, which is a nice addition as a dessert or a snack. All right, and our brownies are done, and look at these. They look absolutely delicious, made just the way I like them, guys. Salt and fudgy in the middle. But it's not the look that truly tells you the story. It's the taste. That's just how I like it. Fudgy in the middle. If you like delicious brownies, they're nice, soft, and fudgy, and a high protein snack all in one, you gotta make these, guys. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. You'll absolutely love them. So delicious. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.